Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about tan a squared equal to secant of a squared minus 1. So we can change this one into this one. And we know that capital A represent about 2s. So this one you got secant of 2s squared minus 1. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 tan 2s. The integration of number 1, we have s and we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.